You know, a lot of times to improve your life, it's like the little things, bro. It's small things that you're doing on your day-to-day basis that overall make you happier, stronger, smarter, more confident. I'm gonna give you an example of this. What if you started to talk to one girl every day? I've said this so many times, but what if you made a goal for yourself to talk to one girl a day? And this is not just because you're gonna be chasing girls all the time, but this is for yourself as well. Most of you deal with confidence problems. The reason why you can't talk to a girl is because you have no practice. But what if every day you made it a goal, like going to the gym, like anything else, you're gonna spend 10 to 20 minutes going out and doing day pickup in the gym, on the park, on the running, freaking coffee shop, library, school. Go wherever there's a congregation of girls and just talk to one every day. The first 20 days might be awkward as hell. After a month of this, after 2 months of this, not only will you develop your social skills, you'll become more personable, more charismatic, you'll also start having a bunch of connections. And now talking to girls, it'll be a breeze. It takes me to number 2. Say no once a week. Confrontation can be a scary thing. I want you to embrace it. I want you to start saying no. I want you to start valuing your time and not just giving it away for free. That also makes you a more valuable man. This takes me to number 3. Get a personal chef. All right, that sounded so bougie, bro, but what I'm trying to get at is you eat like garbage, right? You're eating out all the time. You're not putting the nutrients into your body that it needs to perform at its best. Your body, it's a temple. This is what carries you through life. Protect it, take care of it, give it the nutrients it needs, and you yourself aren't doing it right, so find a better solution. This is why I love pre-prepared meals. Our sponsor, Factor 75, does pre-prepared meals for those people that are too busy in life. And the crazy part is that each meal comes around under $10 a day. Our sponsor, Factor 75, is perfect for those guys that are too busy, bro. Skip the grocery line. Skip the chopping, the cooking, the cleaning. Skip all of that. With Factor 75, you're getting pre-prepared meals that are never frozen, always fresh, are ready in 2 minutes, and they're delicious. On top of that, they're nutritious for you. And the cool thing with Factor 75 is that the chefs that they have on staff, they cater to your needs. So when you go to Factor 75 and you create your account, you get to choose what style of diet you have. Is it a keto diet? Is it a vegan diet? What type of food do you want to implement? What type of diet do you want to follow? And now you literally have a personal chef cooking your stuff depending on how you want to live or how you want to eat. And the cool part is you're not gonna get bored, bro. There's 34 chef-inspired meals. They're all dietitian approved, and every week there's something new, something fresh to try. So now you're not eating the same chicken, broccoli, and rice every single day. So it's even more enjoyable. And the best part with Factor 75 is that it's flexible. You can adjust your meal sizes. You can adjust the frequency of your meals. You can also skip if you need to. And the great part, it's affordable. Each independent meal is way more affordable than you having to eat out every day or ordering food to get delivered. Every time I don't know why, for every time I order a simple bowl or whatever on a delivery app, I end up spending like $40 every time. This is astronomically more affordable than that. Head to factor75.com or click the link down below and use code TMF50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Again, that link will be down below. You're gonna get 50% off your first box. That's great, yo. 50% off. It is an absolute steal for that first week's box, so you can start getting delivered high quality meals that will improve your life and also give you more time back without breaking the bank. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, I want you to throw things away and reorganize your home. You have to understand that your personal living spaces is a direct reflection of what's going up in here and in your personal life. If your life and your brain is a mess, your room is a mess. This is why when your room is clean, you feel efficient. You want to get started. You want to work on something. I want you to keep it that clean and efficient at all times. 5, be consistent in the gym. So what that means is that I'd rather you go to the gym every day for 10 to 15 minutes than you just go once a month, right? What ends up happening for these type of people is that they'll go to the gym once every like 3 weeks. When they go, they'll go hard, and then it's no gym for like the next 3 weeks. Be consistent. It is the consistency and the discipline that's ultra valuable. So every day, go, even if it's only for 10 minutes, then it's 10 minutes. And then gradually increase that time as it goes. But I'd rather you be consistent than be sporadic. Number 6, I want you to set up your alarm and put it on the other side of the bed. So I usually sleep on the left side of the bed, the one that's closest to the door. So I have my nightstand right there. What I recommend is grab your phone, and put it on the other side of the bed. So when you put up that alarm at 5 in the morning, you can't just quickly snooze it. You have to get your ass up, roll across bed, do whatever you gotta do to go turn it off. And at this point, if you roll back in bed, bro, come on, you're already up. Get up. Number 7, when you're working, I want you to put your phone on Do Not Disturb and flip it over. I do this especially if you're going through the stream of consciousness where you're being ultra productive. Do not get interrupted. The worst thing that can happen for your productivity is an interruption. If you're working, you get a notification, you grab your phone, you check your text, but then a TikTok message comes in. Now you're into. That's the worst thing that can happen. So when you're feeling confident or you want to get productive, I want you to put that phone on D and flip it over. Number 8, do not buy junk food. I'm taking it a step further. I'm not telling you to not eat junk food. Don't even buy it. See, if you already have it stocked up in your house, you've already lost half the battle. If you've already bought the junk food, I promise you, you're going to eat it. This is why when you go grocery shopping, make it intentional. Go on a full stomach. It's psychological. Every time I go grocery shopping and I'm starving, let's say it's after work, I have to go get some groceries or whatever, everything looks good. I start packing up that cart quick. But when I'm full, I'm packed, or let's say I do a quick online grocery order, I'm only going to order what I need because in my head, I'm not hungry. I'm not looking to eat anything. So I'll just buy the necessities, the milk, the eggs, the whatever, right? So when you go to the grocery store, go on a full stomach and be intentional to not even buy the dirty snacks. Number 9, write a to-do list to start the day. I've done this now for years. As soon as I start my day in the mornings, right now it's about 6:30 in the morning, my first thing in my to-do list was to shoot 14 videos, and that's what I'm getting done right now. So I like to do 3 action items, right? These are the things I need to get done today. No matter what, this has to be completed, and then I'll have sub ones underneath that where it's like, all right, if I can get these done, I'll work on these as well. But having a to-do list keeps you organized. Ultimately rolls us to number 10, I want you to make your bed. I want you to have that discipline as you start the day. When you make your bed, as you leave your room, not only do you come back to a clean room, which is always refreshing and relaxing, but more importantly, you're starting your day off with the win. Nobody wants to make their bed. But when you beat that inner voice telling you to not do your bed because you're too lazy to do so or that you'll do it later, and you get something done that you know needs to get done, it's like an avalanche effect, bro. The rest of your day, you're just in control.